Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem Walmart gift card online. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem a Walmart gift card online, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, type in walmart.com. Then once you're inside the home page, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal bar on the top left corner of your screen, then tap on sign in or create an account if you don't have an account. And once that's done, what you need to do is browse to the walmart.com and add the items you want to buy to your cart. And once that's done, what you need to do is click on proceed to checkout option. And once that's done, what you need to do here is enter your gift card. Under payment method, select gift card option and enter the following, like gift card number from the back of a physical card or from your email for digital cards, and PIN or access code by scratching the silver trim on the physical cards or copying for email. Then once that's done, simply click on apply and your order total will now be reduced by the gift card balance. The next step is to complete your purchase. If your gift card doesn't cover the full amount, enter another payment method for the remaining balance and review your order and place it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.